Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here at home having a beautiful day. There's the bird. Ooh. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. Yesterday was a cluster of what was going on from the US government. The SEC going after Tron founder, dropping TRX, dropping it pretty strongly. The SEC going after Coinbase, sending them a Wells notice, which inflared Coinbase a lot because the Coinbase has been trying to work with the regulators, trying to work with the SEC, and the SEC not giving them any guidance, which is very good because now Coinbase and Tron, Justin Sun, are very well capitalized people or projects or companies, so they're perfect to go up against the SEC. This is actually a good thing for the industry, and these 70-year-old dinosaurs that don't even understand the technology shouldn't be making legal laws. They're pretty much taking out any crypto projects from the US. Now our legal team for MCRT, we already issued and made everyone know that you can't, if you're a US citizen, you can't participate in MCRT project. But now they're going to do more disclaimers, more announcements that US citizens are not able. So what's happening is all the crypto projects are just moving away from the US, and the US citizens are not getting to participate in this new technology that's as big as the internet. It's the financial revolution. It's the digitization of money. It's so powerful what crypto is, and the fact that it's getting voted out by some dinosaurs in the US and being pushed out of the US is very bad for US citizens. And what you can do about that is back Coinbase, contact your legal representations in the Senate, message your local politicians, message your senators, Google how do I contact my senators, and tell them that you want crypto in America, you want the SEC and to be not pushing out crypto innovation in your country. It's very important if you're a US citizen. Around 35% of you on this video are US citizens from the analytics on YouTube. You're around 30, most of you are from the age of 25 to 50, 25 to 50, but mostly 35-year-old demographic, my age. 35% of you are US citizens, 10% Australians, 10% from UK, 5% from Netherlands, quite a big breakdown of Western countries. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. In my opinion, Bitcoin is very strong. Why? Because the SEC attacked TRX, attacked Justin Sun, attacked Coinbase. Coinbase stock dropped around 25% after that attack, that Wells notice. But Bitcoin barely dropped. Bitcoin barely dropped after the Fed increased the rates by 0.25%, even though banks are collapsing. So what that's showing me is Bitcoin is very strong at the moment. We're going to jump to the charts for Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button down there. Join 78,000 people. Smash everyone. All of you smash that thumbs up button. Share, click the share button and share this video to your 5 friends or family on WhatsApp and tell them to watch this video as well. And hit that thumbs up button there for the algorithm. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals for Bitcoin. The market, Dogecoin up 4.5%, out of 3%. X Infinity, everything around 1%, Bitcoin 1%. Yesterday, Coinbase dropped 8% and 12% after hours, so around 20% drop on Coinbase, Boeing down 4%, stock market getting hit a bit yesterday. Bitcoin fell out of this rising wedge exactly as I predicted actually after that announcement, but it didn't drop very far. This is a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. It climbs and then usually falls to the support, which would be at 25,000, but it didn't come that low. We found a strong support at around 26,600 with a lot of volume. RSI is oversold on the hourly. On the 4-hourly, RSI is very oversold. On the daily, oversold. Let's turn on the indicators. So we've got the Crypto Guru bot and the Bitcoin indicator bot. Crypto Guru bot firing a buy on Bitcoin. Bitcoin indicator bot firing a sell on the weekly, which is the more accurate for these indicators. It fired a sell there. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy. Let's go closer now and set up where I would set up trades on Bitcoin. Now we're in the 4-hourly. Where I would set up trades is from the same setup as yesterday. 25,000, stop loss at under the support 24,500, and take profit at 32,000 and 34,000 are the resistances. That's where I would take profits. The green lines are where I would take profit. That's the trade that I was set on Bitcoin. I think we will pull back to around 25,000. But again, Bitcoin is showing strength. But that 25,000, you can see here, that's where the strong support is. Around 24,000, 25,000, you're going to find a lot of support. If we zoom out, you find a lot of support at that 25,000. So that's the trade that I would set on Bitcoin. Opening the trade at 25,096, stop loss 24,511, take profit at 34,900, risking $584 to make $9,803 per Bitcoin without leverage. And so if you put your stop loss, if you set that stop loss, you only risk $584. So you're risking $584 to make $9,800 without leverage. 10x leverage, that's $98,000 of profits. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video of this video, in the description and pin comment, so down below, in the description of the video, go down below. I'm going to show you my trades on Bitcoin now coming up as well. Sign up to Bybit using that link. You get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use USDT. When you use this link in the description, 30,000 USDT when you use this of bonuses when you sign up to Bybit. It's the second biggest exchange, but to get that bonus, you need to meet all the trading requirements. You can also take the crypto master course. That's where you get the crypto guru bot and the indicator, the Bitcoin indicator bot. And you can join the free Telegram alerts group where there's 7,800 of you now discussing Bitcoin trading, etc. And once you sign up to Bybit, you'll get this account. In here, my trade is $15,370 in the profits, up 206% on Bitcoin. It's a 2.98 Bitcoin trade. That's my derivatives. That's my leverage trade. It's about 9x leverage, 15,300 in the profits. In this account, I have 251,000, dropped around 8,000 since yesterday after the Fed announcement. I've got 3.84 Bitcoin spot, 106,000. I've got 42,000 MCRT, 12 million MCRT, $42,000 worth. I've got $30,000 worth of USDT. I've got $20,500 worth of FXS. I've got $4,600 worth of Uniswap. That's what I'm holding in this account, which is beautiful. Let's also check out Ethereum, where I would open a trade on Ethereum. I've already still got that trade set up already in Bybit. I'm going to show you that trade setup. I already showed this where I would set up a trade on Ethereum yesterday, and that trade is still set up. This is where I would set, but it looks bull flaggy to me with volume, and it didn't pull back on this second announcement, which is interesting. This looks like a bull flag on the 4-hourly. Bull flag, and also a kind of, bull flag. So I think Ethereum could actually run here. It didn't pull back, came to that strong support and bounced off. The strongest support is at 1,664. I would keep that trade because usually we can pull back to that support, and I would go long on Ethereum, risking $60 to make $630 without leverage. 10x leverage, $6,300 profits. And you can see here I've got that trade already set up on Ethereum. It will open the trade automatically at 1,633. It's a 12 Ethereum trade. Take profit is set at 2,291 and stop loss is set at 160. You can see that I've already set this trade from yesterday. The gray line is where the trade will open, so you can see 1,660. The stop loss is 1,600 and the take profit is 2,291, and that gives me a great risk reward ratio trade. I'm risking $414 to make $8,257 with that trade, which is beautiful. Also, I want to show you something very interesting here. So this was yesterday. Someone posted this. I don't think we should have the central committee headed by mostly 70-plus-year-olds deciding what technology is allowed to be built in the crypto space or not. This would kill innovation, kill jobs, fail to actually change the course of technological development, and increase the power of incumbent interests, meaning banks. Unfortunately, this seems to be the Biden administration's model of tech policy, which is crazy. Imagine your 70-year-old grandfather deciding what technology you should be allowed to be building or not. They can't even turn on computers. Your 70-year-old grandfather doesn't even know where the on button is on a computer, let alone developing policy for crypto technology that they have no understandings of at all. It's crazy. That's why you need to vote out these idiot politicians. Banks failing, governments panicking, everyone in crypto chilling on the sidelines, but they're trying to bring down. This is a very interesting image, everyone. This image was created in 1924, periods when to make money. A at the top is years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. B is years of good times, high prices, and time to sell stocks and values of all kinds. C is years of hard times, low price, a good time to buy stocks, goods, and to hold them until the boom. Now, what's very interesting is look at the years of this. In 2005, it said it was the best time to buy. In 2007, before the GFC, best time to sell. In 2012, best time to buy. And this was done in 1924. 2012, best time to buy. 2016, best time to sell. 2019 is euphoria, when panics occur. 2023 is the best time to buy, which is now. 2026 is the best time to sell. 2035 is the time of euphoria. So 2023, best time to buy. 2026, which is my opinion as well, I think the bull run will be at the peak on October 2025. 2026 to sell. 2032 to buy. Very, very interesting chart going back to 1924. Amen, Guru, and admire you for that. I will be your follower always, James Crypto Guru. Thank you so much. This was in my Telegram group. I have 7,800 of you. These are some of the gains of the students. Thanks, James. You're welcome. I should have known you 3 years ago, James. It's okay. You found out now. This student making 1,200%. I watched it on board. I'm in profit now, James. James, you're one of the best and simply the Guru legend. Thank you so much, everyone. And you can just see many people making massive gains in our Telegram, which is beautiful. Everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. None of this is financial advice. This is my opinions in the market and what I am doing with my money in the markets. You have to make your own decisions, consult your brokers. This is my money and what I am doing in the markets, and I'm showing you of my 21 years of investments, what I do with my money in the markets. You have to make your own decisions. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Keep learning, keep studying, take the courses, join the Telegram. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.